So I've also received this in the mail today, and since we're doing all this, what we're gonna do is pull out the box. We're gonna put this bidet on. Check it out. That's it right there. We're gonna hook this bidet to our upstairs toilet. Hopefully it doesn't leak. We'll see. All right. Yep. All right. Anyway, this is the Samodra Bidet. And if you're not happy, you can contact them and tell them at that email address. And if you are happy, you can tell your friends. Comes with an instruction manual. Here's your water intake hose, which connects to this valve, which connects to your water coming out of the wall from your turn-off valve. Here's some plumber's tape. That's the unit itself. These are the locks that go in here. And you can turn it up and down here. And then we have some things here that we need to figure out. But we'll have to read the manual over here. All right, we're gonna put this on our toilet. All right, so when you're gonna use this, this gives you the spray power. I do not recommend maximum because you may injure yourself because it really squirts out hard. Then you've got backwash, then you've got for ladies, and then this is self-wash. So you got a couple different ways to do it. And then you can turn the water pressure here, and then you hit off here, and that apparently turns it off. So you want to make sure that you do that afterwards. Make sure you hit the off button afterwards.